I have to talk to the technician, our company manager first. So.
But you say
So-
you will, right?
Huh?
You say you're gonna do it for free?
But I thought that this is broken. This is broken.
Yeah.
But
That's new.
who's going to install it? What happened? It's not complete.
Yeah, I know, but we have a problem this tank. If the first time we change it, this tank,
Yeah. Is it flooded? Flooded?
yeah,
Too big hole?
not a big hole, but has a leak.
When it has water, flood all the room?
Yeah.
This is also leaking?
This side,
Which one?
this one I'm sure.
This one and this
yeah,
one?
It's a leak. The last one they told me. Yeah. It's a leak.